In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Yahoo emails to group of contacts. We'll start by opening your browser and heading to the Yahoo Singapore homepage. In the top right corner, look for the Sign In button and select it. On the Sign In screen, choose your existing account if it's listed, or proceed by entering your email address and password. You may be prompted for a verification code depending on your security settings. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Once you're signed in, you'll land back on Yahoo. Go ahead and click Mail to open your Yahoo Mail inbox. Now that you're in Mail, you're getting ready to send an email to a group. First, locate your contacts so you can confirm the exact group name you want to use. In Yahoo Mail, you'll typically find a contacts icon or entry on the left panel. Open it and review your saved groups. Take a moment to note the group's exact name, including any capitalization or punctuation, so it matches when you type it later. Interface labels can vary slightly, and groups may be shown as lists or categories, but the idea is the same. Identify the group you've already created and confirm its name. With the group name in mind, return to your inbox and click Compose in the upper left corner to start a new message. This opens a blank email with the To field ready. In the To field, begin typing the name of your group. Yahoo will suggest matches as you type. Select the group from the suggestions so all members are added automatically. If you see multiple options, pick the one that's clearly labeled as a list or group rather than a single contact. Next, click into the subject line and write a clear, concise subject that reflects your message. Then move to the body of the email and type your message. Keep it focused and relevant to everyone in the group. If the email is for updates, consider summarizing key points at the top and adding details below so readers can scan quickly. When everything looks good, click Send. Yahoo Mail will process the message and deliver it to all contacts in the group. If you don't see a confirmation or something seems off, double check that you selected the correct group name and that the group is active in your contacts. That's it. You've signed in, opened mail, verified your group, composed a new message, addressed it to the group by name, added a subject and message, and sent it. With these steps, you can quickly reach multiple people at once, saving time and ensuring consistent communication.